In today's video, I'll show you how to use Google AI Studios for coding. Whether you're trying to write code, fix errors, or understand how something works, you can easily use Google AI Studios for it. Now to get started, you need to head over to aistudio.google.com and then make sure you log in. Once you're inside of this interface, in order to help with coding, you can head over to the chat section. However, if you're building an entire application, you can head over to the build section where you can type in a prompt and build entire applications. Just for the coding help, you can head over to the chat section, and on the top right of the screen, as you can see, there are different models and various models have different workflow. You can try using one of these models and adding in a simple prompt. So here's an example that you can try out. Once you enter in your prompt, you can hit run, and within a few seconds, the AI will generate the full code with explanation and sometimes even comments. Once you get the desired results, you can also add in a follow-up question. You can ask something like this, where if you need to understand some code, this prompt will help you understand this step by steps. Now, once you're happy with the results, you can click on the Get Code option on the top right of the screen. You can just copy in this entire code, head over to your code editor and paste it in. This way you can use Google AI Studios to write, understand and improve your code. If this guide video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe and also make sure to give this video a thumbs up. I'll see you in the next one.